Yo, man, I know sometimes life get a little bit crazy on us. But no matter how broken or how bruised, we keep fighting. No matter what, we keep fighting. And it's crazy, for about a month now, I've really had my mind gone. I saw some shit the other day and got my heart broken. It knocked me off track and now I can't regain focus. And all over again, you got me feeling hopeless. It's been a while and I'm knowing I should move on, but now I'm terrified that everybody's gonna do me wrong. Got me sitting here, singing them same songs. Looking at my life, I wonder where it all went wrong. Looking up to the sky, got me asking why. Why do I deserve this? Why do I even try? And then I look back at my parents, divorced but they still married, and they're fighting every day. It's a struggle, man. I pray that my brothers love their mother and father equal the same. And I got it in my brain that maybe someday they'll change, rekindle that fire, love each other again. But maybe I'm overstepping with my thoughts and my actions, but deep down I guess I always wanted it to happen. And I think I realize why I still hold on to things, no matter if it's whole or just a jar of broken dreams. Cause one thing I was taught early is miracles still happen. I should have died at birth, but instead I'm here rapping. I got another day to see my mama laughing. I know we struggling now, but soon we gonna be relaxing. So fuck the people who went and tossed us aside, and every single person who made me believe the lies. And to everybody that's contributing to my destruction, have my heart of gold get stole to replace with nothing. So tell me something, are you one of these people? And if the answer's yes, turn around, cause I don't need you. I'm living in a world that's filled full with evil, and I'm sick and tired of all of these deceitful people. I'm just wanting something that's true. It's my brother seen enough rain, I think it's had it, it's through. And I'm just waiting for my sunshine like it was overdue. Like Alaska, 2 or 3 months it ain't coming through. But I guess it made me who I am today, cause even in the worst storms I never ever shied away. Can't lie, I wanna fly away. I'm tired of the same old shit, I want my better days. It's like I'm trapped in a haze. My mind's running circles, it's like I'm lost in a maze. Spending all this time, I'm just trying to find my way. And if I make it out, damn right you're gonna be amazed.